Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. A little tired, but good.
Tired? Why are you tired?
I woke up early. I took a bus this morning.
Ah, a bus. Nice. Did you wait long at the bus stop?
Yes. I waited maybe 10 minutes. It was cold.
10 minutes in the cold? That feels long, but it's a good start for today's topic.
Today's topic?
Yes. Today we talk about at the bus stop or at the bus station. It's perfect for beginners because we use very simple everyday English.
Great. I like simple English.
Good. And we will repeat many words today. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It helps you remember.
I need that. My memory is slow.
Your memory is fine, Leo. You just need practice. So let's start. First, let's say the important words. Listen and say them with us.
Okay.
Bus,
Bus.
bus stop,
Bus stop.
bus station,
Bus station.
ticket,
Ticket.
route,
Route.
line,
Line.
wait,
Wait.
on time,
On time.
late.
Late.
Great. Now let's make simple sentences. Leo, repeat after me.
Okay.
I am at the bus stop.
I am at the bus stop.
I am waiting for the bus.
I am waiting for the bus.
The bus is late.
The bus is late.
The bus is on time.
The bus is on time.
Very good. Now let's use these words in a real conversation. Imagine you and I are at a bus stop. It's morning. We see a bus coming.
I see the bus. It's coming.
Yes. And I ask, "Excuse me, is this the bus to the city center?" Can you say that?
Excuse me, is this the bus to the city center?
Good. Now I answer, "Yes, it is." Or, "No, it isn't." Try both.
Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Great. Now listen to a short dialogue. "Excuse me, what time does the bus come?
It comes at 9:15.
Is it on time?"
Yes, it is on time today. Simple. I understand.
Good. Understanding simple English is the goal. Now let's practice with you. I will ask, "What time does the bus come?" And you give me any time.
Okay.
What time does the bus come?
It comes at 8:40.
Nice. Now I ask, "Is the bus late?"
The bus is late.
Or, "The bus is on time."
The bus is on time.
Perfect. Now let's teach our listeners. Listeners, practice with us. I will leave a small pause for you. What time does the bus come? Good. Now say, "The bus is late." Good job.
This is fun.
Yes. Now let's talk more. When we are at a bus stop, we sometimes ask people questions. For example, "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" "Excuse me, which bus goes to the mall?" "Excuse me, is this the right bus?"
Let me try. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, which bus goes to the mall? Excuse me, is this the right bus?
Excellent. Very clear. Remember, at a bus stop, we use polite words like "excuse me" and "thank you."
Yes, that sounds polite.
Now a short practice. I ask and you answer. Which bus goes to the park?
Bus number 5 goes to the park.
Good. Is this the bus to the airport?
No, it isn't. This bus goes to the city center.
Great answer. Now let's add more useful phrases. Repeat after me. How much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket?
I want a one-way ticket.
I want a one-way ticket.
I want a round-trip ticket.
I want a round-trip ticket.
Nice. Now, imagine you are at a big bus station. You need help. Talk to me.
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket at the ticket desk over there.
How much is the ticket?
It's $5.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very natural, very simple. This is great for beginners.
Yes, easy to understand.
Now let's make more sentences for our listeners to repeat. I am waiting for the bus.
I am waiting for the bus.
The bus is late today.
The bus is late today.
This is the right bus.
This is the right bus.
I want a ticket, please.
I want a ticket, please.
Where does this bus go?
Where does this bus go?
Perfect. Now, a short listening practice for our listeners. I will say a sentence. You try to understand. Then Leo will repeat the answer slowly. The bus comes at 10:30.
The bus comes at 10:30.
This bus goes to the airport.
This bus goes to the airport.
I am waiting at the bus stop.
I am waiting at the bus stop.
Very good. Now let's have a natural conversation again. Leo, do you take the bus often?
Yes, I take the bus almost every day.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes. It's slow, but it's cheap.
True. When do you usually wait for the bus?
In the morning.
Is your bus usually on time?
No, my bus is usually late.
That's normal. Many buses are late in the morning.
Yes, too much traffic.
Good vocabulary. Traffic. That's another useful word.
Traffic.
Listeners, repeat. Traffic. Traffic. Great. Now let's review everything we learned today.
Okay.
We learned words like bus, bus stop, bus station, ticket, route, line, wait, on time, late, traffic.
Yes.
We practiced questions. What time does the bus come? Is this the right bus? Which bus goes to? How much is the ticket?
And we practiced answers too.
Yes. And we made small conversations like asking for help, buying a ticket, and waiting for the bus.
I think beginners can understand this.
I think so too. Simple words, short sentences, slow speaking, and repetition.
Thank you, Emma.
Thank you, Leo, and thank you to all our listeners. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.